Hey, do you want to learn how to create motion graphic animations with AI? In this video, I'm going to show you this tool called LazyAnimator. And with this, you can create these type of animations that you see on screen with just a simple prompt. And I'm going to show you some of the animations that I've created as well later in this video. So what you have to do is first sign up for an account on this website. And once you've done that, you can see here in the prompt field, you need to type in a prompt. Now, if you're not sure what to type in, you can go over to ChatGPT, and on it, you can say, okay, I want to make this type of an animation. So give me a prompt for LazyAnimator.ai. Let's go with storytelling and visual scenes. So in this case, I'm going to go with sunset scene on a beach with animated waves and birds flying by. Let's see what it does with this. So let's go on LazyAnimator, and I'm going to paste it. And next, what you can do is you can either select this overlay. And what this basically means is, let's say you have your own recorded video like this, and you want the animation on top of it, like here. And if you want to do that, you can do it. You just need to put this check mark, just select this check mark overlay, and it's going to make a transparent background for you, animated transparent background. And if you want to use images in your animation, you can also click here on this paperclip icon and then upload it. So let's click here to generate it. I have a free plan. So once you sign up for an account, you will get a free plan. And with the free plan, you can get 20 messages per month. So basically that means that you can create 20 animations per month with this tool, with the free plan. Now, if you do follow-up messages, so let's say this animation is created and you want some things to be changed inside it, you need to type that inside this prompt bar on the bottom. And once you do that, it's going to take in 1 credit. It's going to take away that 1 message credit. Here you go. This is what it has created. And I can switch between a mobile format, 9:16 format, to 16:9 format like this. Now, I know this does not look that good, but I can go here on the bottom and I can say add something or remove something, and then it's going to change based on that prompt. But keep in mind that when I do that, it's going to take away that 1 credit from your total monthly balance. Like it says here, you have 9 messages left this month. You can need to upgrade for unlimited messages. Now, what I'm going to do is go over to my previous animations and show you some of the animations that I've created before. So this was for channel growth. This is again for subscriber growth animation. Smartphone evolution timeline, you can see here. And this looks amazing, right? And you can have an overlay of this. So let's say you're talking about smartphones and the evolution of smartphones. You can just have this animation as an overlay while you're talking on camera. That way, you can regenerate it by clicking over here. And you can also export it as a video or a GIF file. Let me show you more of my previous animations. This was the flight path animated on a globe. So the version 1 was like this, and I asked it to add a globe to it. And this is what it has created. Now, it does not look like a real Earth, but it's still nice. It's all created with just a simple prompt. Now, this first one was a bouncing logo animation, and this was made with this paperclip icon. So I just uploaded my own logo to it, and I said that, okay, make a bouncing logo animation in it, and this is what it created. Looks nice. This was an animation that I did before. I thought, okay, let's try an easy animation. That was the bouncing logo animation, and this one is a medium animation. So you can see here, it's like a typography, kinetic typographic animation. You can see, create, design, inspire. If you want, you can make some change to it by clicking over here on the bottom and typing a prompt. There's also some helpful hints here. So if you want to make the background a bento grid, make it all bigger and all this, you can select from here. And this one was an animation, like a explainer video type animation. So I thought that this would be a great example if it can handle a hard animation. And you can see the result. Looks great. Also, they've got templates. So if you want to just take one of these templates, you can do that. You can duplicate this template and use it as well. For example, let's say I want to duplicate this subscribe template. I can click here. Then I want to change the text here in the subscribe animation. I need to type it in the bottom in this prompt bar. And you can see that I've now got 8 messages. Even after duplicating the template, it still took 1 message from us. So I've typed in the prompt bar, change text from @your rich PFF to @solvebase. Click on enter. And let's see what it creates. And there you go. It has now changed that text from the other previous text to my new text, which is solvebase. And that's it. This way you can create motion graphic animations with just a simple prompt. And to upgrade, you just need to pay $30 per month to get unlimited messages. I hope this video helped solve the problem on how to use LazyAnimator.ai. If it did, let me know with a like and comment, and I'm going to create more tutorials related to these motion graphic animation tools like Hera.video or Motion With, and I'm also going to compare all 3 of them. So see you again in the next video. You can find all of those videos on the right hand side in a playlist. Bye for now.